Hi, I'm Steph Evans, and here's another course bite from our Intro to FEA with MSC Apex online course. Assembly models can be made up of many parts. We'll show how the response of each of these parts can be verified or replaced between different model configurations. Verifying model behaviour is vital in ensuring a successful analysis. For large assemblies with many parts, we can use an incremental verification scheme as each part is built, allowing us to piece together a full assembly where we know exactly how a component behaves. Once our assembly is verified, we'll show how parts can be swapped out with different representations with minimal change to the overall model build. Remember, we've got free trials of all our courses, and there are free versions of Apex to allow you to follow the tutorials at your own pace. Just follow the link to see a full list of our courses, and we hope to see you on a course really soon.